One question that I'm being asked very often is how much money would someone need in order to start trading? The answer is really depend on who you talk to. Some may say you need a minimum of 25,000, while others may say anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000. What if I have only $167.45? Can I still trade with that? Well, that is something that I'm going to try to do starting today. This is going to be fun. Let's see how long will it take before I lose it all. Just a quick recap. After 5 trading days, we managed to stay alive and grew the account from 167.45 to 367.23. Alright, at the end of day trading number 6, we're up $112.98 or 30.77%. The account is up to $480.21. Let's go over what we did today. At 6:37 a.m., which is right after the market opened, we bought a JP Morgan 155 call option expiration February the 11th, 71 cents per contract, cost us $71. At 6:50 a.m., we bought a Boeing 215 call February 11th at $1.05 per contract, cost us $105. And then at 7 a.m., we bought another JP Morgan 155 call expiration to 11th at 67 cents. So that cost us another $67. At 7:07, the Boeing contract that we bought earlier at $1.05 now is up to $1.92. So we sold this contract to lock in the gain. That netted us $192 or $87. That was about over 80% gain. And that was very much what we did today. We still have these 2 JP Morgan Chase contracts that we bought at $67 and $71. The 2 JP Morgan contracts that we have, the price went up near the end of the day. Right now, the price of this contract is at $81.50. So we're up about $26, or almost 19%. Now let's go over the Boeing contract that I bought and sold today. Boeing was forming this little bull flag. So I was following that and waiting for the price to break out. And the minute the price break out, that's when I would jump in and establish my call positions. So this morning, right after the market opened, Boeing opened and then started trending up. The minute the price crossed over and stabilized over the high of the first minute of trading, that's when I jump in and established my call position. And then just about half an hour later, when it ran up to this point, I sold my positions. And that was a very nice gain. I could have waited and get more, but the problem is, like I said before, I am dealing with a very tiny account. Right now, it's more important for me just to lock in gain and then try to get the account up to $1,000. And once I have more buffer, then I could afford to be able to sit and wait, because if I were to ride out, I could easily make 200% rather than just 80%. All in all, that was a very good trade because I had the patience to wait until the price started to bounce off the first minute high of the day and then exit when it reached my target price. Now for the 2 JP Morgan Chase contract that I bought, it's very much like the Boeing contract. Yesterday, JP broke out of this major resistance and closed at the high of the day at 153.62. So the chart is definitely indicating an uptrend. My plan was to wait for a pullback and then jump in to open my call positions. So I waited after the market opened, the price pullback, then once it dropped down to about 150, that's when I bought the first options, and a few minutes later I bought the second option. Now look at this chart. I may have bought these 2 options a little bit early. I should wait until the pattern is fully developed. The best spot to open these 2 positions could be right at this point. But nevertheless, I'm glad that I opened these 2 positions. JP Morgan found bottom and then began this reversal in price. Hopefully tomorrow the price would continue to trend up so I can close these 2 positions at a gain. In summary, today was a good day. We make some money instead of losing it all. So the good thing is we lasted 6 days already. Hopefully will last another day tomorrow. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notification.